All right, our practice. So we're going to plot the coordinates using the letters. Then we're going to actually find that coordinate of the ordered pair of point D that will complete the shape. So we'll see how we graph A, B, and C, and then we'll figure out what this coordinate is. I'm actually going to blank this out. Okay, perfect. All right, now let's see. First one, A. -2, +1. We start at 0, -1, -2, +1. So here we are up here. This is where A is. A. All right, now B. -2, -1, -2, +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's where B is. All right, let's take a look at C. +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Now we are going to figure out where should letter D be. Well, I know that B and C we have up top, A and C, so it should be directly across over here and fill it in as a rectangle. Fill it in as a rectangle. I'm gonna move that A. All right, so letter D is going to be at +1, 2, 3, 4, +1. So +4, +1. Alrighty, let's take a look at our questions. Woohoo! Our quadrilateral that's created. It's a rectangle. Again, it's a rectangle. Perfect. Rectangle. 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 What is the distance between point B and C? Here's B, here's C. Let's take a look at our distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our distance is 6 units. 6 units. What's the distance between C and D? All right, C and D. 1, 2, 3. So it's only 3 units. All right, perimeter. So remember, perimeter is all the outside. Add all outside. Add all sides. So our perimeter, let's figure out the rest of them. So this should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's on the opposite side of the top. And then 1, 2, and 3. Perimeter, when we add them up, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So I get 18 units. 18 units. Or you can take a look at it as 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 3, 13, 14, 15, plus another 3 is going to be 18. Alrighty. Last one, what's the area? Area. We're going to have, area is going to be length times width. Length times width. So we're going to multiply 6 times 3. So 6 times 3 is going to give us 18. And since that gives us the inside, it is going to be units squared. So if you fill it in, that means it's going to be units squared. So 18 units squared. So you could put the square root, or you could put squared, or you could put squared units, or square square units. That works too. Because if you fill in the inside of something, you'll get those units squared. All right, that's it for our practice. Whoop, whoop. Great job.